The GoHawk Bluetooth Motorcycle Speakers boast a waterproof design with a robust 2-channel 100-watt amplifier, ensuring durability and high-quality sound performance in various weather conditions. These versatile speakers come with universal swivel-able handlebar clamps, fitting bars from 1 to 1 1/4 inches, making them suitable for a wide range of motorcycles and other off-road vehicles. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the speakers allow seamless wireless music streaming from various devices, including smartphones and tablets. A notable feature is the built-in FM radio and USB drive support for music playback, offering multiple options for entertainment on the go. Constructed with high-quality aluminum and ABS materials, the speakers are designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while providing a sleek and stylish appearance. Installation is straightforward with the plug-and-play design, and all necessary hardware and wiring are included, making it easy to set up and enjoy your favorite tunes quickly.